Ben Harrison, and I'm a student at Texas A&M University. I'm 20 years old and will be a junior in the fall. I'm studying to become a petroleum engineer. Being a petroleum engineer requires a few things. First, it requires a Bachelor's of Science in Petroleum Engineering, which is usually a 4-year degree. It also requires an internship somewhere along the way, most likely in the summer. There are a few different routes I can take once I graduate college to become a petroleum engineer. I could go to the upstream, downstream, or midstream sides. The upstream side of petroleum engineering is the exploration and production. You could possibly be a drilling engineer or a reservoir engineer in the upstream side. Basically, a drilling engineer works alongside the geologists in order to find where the oil is underground, to extract it and get it sent off, and that is their job. Midstream side is more along the lines of transportation, which could be pipelines built all across the country or large trucks moving the oil. The downstream side is the very end of the process, and that's where you work with oil refineries and turning crude oil into gasoline that everyone puts in their cars. I had just recently finished up an internship on a drilling rig in South Louisiana this past June. I worked alongside drilling engineers and people who operated on the rig in order to drill the actual hole, which is a large part of the process, a very important part in the very first part. And I got to learn a whole lot about that side of it. If I had to pick one now, I would most likely say the drilling side, which would be along the upstream. That would most likely be because of the internship, but I am looking forward to seeing other aspects of the job before I graduate. An average salary for a petroleum engineer will be about $95,000 entry salary. This is give or take some depending on the size of the company and the way the economy is doing. I believe that petroleum engineers are important to today's society because they help us keep the standard of living that everybody really takes for granted. And we're able to keep gasoline in cars so you can get to work every day, make all the plastic products and oil products that you see on the shelves. So I believe it's very important to not only America but the world to have petroleum engineers. And I'm honored to be going to one of the best petroleum engineering schools in the country so I can reach my dream goal of becoming a petroleum engineer. Thank you so much. Appreciate your time.